Need to change your SafeLink phone number? Here's what you need to know. As of September 2025, changing your number costs $10.99. This fee covers administrative costs and helps prevent abuse of the system. You're typically limited to one number change per 30 days, but exceptions are made for emergencies like domestic abuse or natural disasters. To be eligible, your SafeLink account must be active and in good standing, meaning no outstanding balances or flags for fraudulent activity. Make sure you have your ID and account details ready when you contact support. Stricter identity checks, including SSN verification, are now required to comply with FCC fraud prevention rules. Changing your SafeLink number isn't self-service. You'll need to contact support. The easiest way is through the SafeLink app, launched in mid-2025, which reduces call center wait times. You can also call 1-800-378-1684, available 24/7. First, select account changes, then phone number. You'll need to verify your identity by providing your SSN or uploading your ID via the app. After paying the $10.99 fee, you'll receive a confirmation SMS or email. The number change activates within 24 hours, so test it by calling your new number. Remember, international changes or ports may have additional fees, and your device must be SafeLink compatible.